Wala, ang hirap. Paano ba ginagawa ito? Pwede bang i-slow-mo yung ano na to, yung comment section? Para siyang ano, para siyang parang karaoke, ang bilis. Igiters na pala si PGMA. Yes. Ang hirap. Pwede i-scroll. Ayaw gumalaw. Ay, gumagalaw pa din eh, kahit ini-scroll ko. Ayan! Ano ba yan? Ayoko na. Sige, magtitigan na lang tayo. Hindi ako makapag... Iwan, ang hirap. We love you in Cebu. Oh my God, thank you sa lahat na pumunta sa Bicon. As in, I think I'm going to be in Cebu again very soon. I think they're announcing. But I will be back in Cebu for another big festival. So, I'll see you guys there. How was your experience in Singapore? Oh my God, I had so much fun in Singapore. Although I was just there for like 2 days, roughly 2 days. But I had so much fun in Singapore. Still one of the best crowds here in Asia. I had so much fun doing the show there. And also the boys, the guys, the men's success in Singapore. They loved the doll. So I was happy. I was very happy in Singapore. And the men were very happy as well to see me there. No, they weren't happy. They're just a little bit excited. Punta ka Pride March. Inaalam pa naman yung schedule ko that day eh. We're still fixing things. Meron pala kami ilalabas next week na something on Friday. So, abangan nyo. Meron kami i-release on Friday. That's June 19th for you guys. Hola from Spain. Sí, señor. Ang hirap siya. Saan may pera? Advertising or production? Depende. TBH, depende sa job title. Depende kung anong industry. Kasi may production pa rin naman sa advertising eh. 'Di ba? So, depende kung anong industry. If you're comparing TV or advertising, based on my experience, mas maraming pera sa advertising. Although, mas stressful. Mas marami kasing, mas demanding kasi yung sa advertising eh. Lahat pera. So, every move you make counts. So, mas malaki yung, um, I would say responsibility, but also yung the job itself. Nakapag-show ka na ba sa San Pedro, Laguna? I'm not sure. I don't think I have. Cavite ata, yes. I'm not sure about Laguna. Sobrang tangos ng ilong mo. Hindi ako. Gusto ko nga paayos ng ilong ko eh. Hi Bettina! I miss you! Ayan, speaking of production, si Bettina, isa yan sa mga kasama ko sa ABS before. Nung Yossi girl pa ako. Kami magkakasama, kami mga magkaka-team. Una kaming mga in-stress ng buhay, ng kabataan namin. Ang hirap magbasa, shit. Zamboanga, hindi pa ako nakakapunta ng Zamboanga. But we were supposed to, I don't know what happened. Bicol, no, I haven't done a show in Bicol yet, but I've been to Bicol. I miss your vlogs. I know, but it's too, kasi, like, wala akong, like, ang hirap mag-produce ng vlog ngayon in my, parang, as much as I wanna document everything and, like, put it out there, I wanna live in the moment. Yung naintindihan ko the past year talagang just be present and not everything needs to be in pixels. Comeback show vlog. Oo nga pala. Sige, yun. Papa-edit ko yung comeback show vlog. Anyways, I think ang bilis tumama sa akin ng magnesium glycinate. I'm just gonna do a sleeping mask before I go to sleep. Oh my god, inaantok na ako. Guys, it means sobrang pagod ako today. Pwede ko bang sabihin yung brand ng mask ko? Hindi. Or parang na-block kasi ako last time. Parang na-warningan ako. Tapos in-end yung live. Ganon. Okay. Bawal din. Ano ba yung mintrina na yan? Itigil nyo nga na nga yan. Eh, lahat na lang ng kibot, puro kayo ganyan. It's becoming weird sometimes. Like, I know it's your fantasy, but don't, lahat ng galaw talaga, inaano nyo. Kaya na-awkward din kami. Na-awkward ako madalas kapag may mga ganyan-ganyan. Kasi, nilalagyan nyo ng mali siya. Hindi na yan hindi na siya healthy. Ilalagay nyo ng mali siya lahat ng ganap. Ilalagay nyo ng mali siya lahat ng interaction. It's very lahat ng comment, lahat ng pag nagla-live, pag nagte-Twitter, lahat puro ganun. Na siya. Hindi, it's hindi naman yun yung bumubuhay sa akin, so I have the right to say it. It's not the reason why I do drag. It's not the reason why I do my work, so I can say it. And if you're offended by it, that's your problem. But if you can avoid it and hindi nyo idildil sa amin at sa lahat ng ginagawa namin ang mga fantasies ninyo, that would be very much appreciated kasi it's becoming awkward, it's becoming annoying, and it's becoming irritating sometimes. And if you feel like you are offended, then maybe are you are supporting me not because of my drag, not because of my talent, not because of the work that I do, but maybe because of your own fantasies lang. And that's not healthy. That's not healthy. You cannot support me or a colleague of mine just because of your fantasy. It doesn't work that way. Tama? Tama, mali. Hirap. Nagpa-rhino po ba kayo? Hindi pa po. Yung earrings mo. Yes, tinatanggal. Ako nga nalimutan ko tanggalin. Again, yung mga ship nun yun na yan. If it works for other queens, then bongga. Good for you guys and good for them. But for me, it's not, like, I don't fucking care. And, yeah, I hope you do care more about what I do and what I bring to the table than religiously and, ewan ko, parang bawat hininga nyo ata puro ganun na lang. So, kayo din. Check nyo din sarili ninyo. Where can I see you live next? I will be performing in Nokal. I think, is it Nokal? I forgot. Oh my God. Sige, I'm just gonna reshare it to my story. Somewhere here in Poblacion. For Pride in Bloom. I think it's in Nokal. I'm not pretty sure, but I'll definitely reshare it on my stories. And then I will be performing oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot. I'm doing White Party in 27. And then Obar after that. I'm doing Ramba Obawe as well. And then I'm coming back to Cebu sometime this month. So, prepare kayo dyan. Cebu. Make sure na merong lechon. Alam mo, when I was there last Bicon, at talagang for some reason, I've always wanted to go to Sinulog. Never pa ako nakapag-Sinulog. Laging fiesta lang ng Santo Niño sa Tondo kasi tiga doon ako. Laging yun lang, fiesta namin sa Tondo kasi yun yung church namin sa may Santo Niño Church sa may Ilaya, sa may Padivisoria. Yun lang lagi yung napupuntahan ko. So I really wanna go to next year, hopefully, makapag-sinulog ako. Kasi I really wanna go to Sinulog. Or even perform for Sinulog. Or just experience Sinulog. So, kalampagin nyo, yung mga producers dyan, yung mga events, ganyan, sabihin nyo, i-request nyo ako para mag-ano sila sa akin. Although, may mga nag-reach out naman sa akin talaga. This year, hindi lang ako nakapunta because of my surgery, my top surgery. Last year, hindi ako nakapunta. Parang almost every year naman may nag-invite. So, sana next year, hindi sila mapagod mag-invite. Kasi, the previous year naman, it's because nasa UK ako for the Wizard of Oz tour. And then the year before that, nasa US ako, I think, or nasa UK ata ako kasi yun yung announcement ng UK versus the world. And then the year before that, yun naman yung preparations ko for UK versus the world. I was doing all the fittings. And then the year before that, wala pang Drag Race Philippines. Hindi pa ako nakapag-show sa Bulacan. Marina for Sinulog. Tama. I would really love to do it. Dinagyang as well, yes. Kadayawan. Kahit ano pa yan. Basta festival. Oktoberfest, mga ganyan. Kasi love na love ko talaga ang Cebu. As in, I will always find a reason to go to Cebu and extend ganon levels. As in, every time. I always find a reason to go back to Cebu kasi I don't know, I just love Cebu. Please do a collab with SB19. Gusto ko silang makainuman. Gusto kong makainuman si Stel at magkaalaman. Ganun. Magkaalaman ng kaltok. Charis. Magtagisan kami ng kaltok. Pero feeling ko mananalo ng palakasan ng kaltok si Stel talaga. Feeling ko rurok siya. Stel tapos Joy Barcoma, ganun. Silang dalawa yung top 2 sa Pakalugan. Stel, Joy, Gian, Marina. Oo nga, no? Ang ganda nun, no? Tagay-tagay. Tagay-tagay kami. Okay, sige. Okay, matutulog na kasi I think the magnesium glycinate is already kicking in. It's been 30 minutes, I think, or less, but I'm already tired. So I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for being here with me on this live. Kahit very quick lang. Thank you. Goodbye. Ay, nasa QueenCon pala ako. See you there.